welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to create this smoky winged cut crease kind of a look. I did not know what to call it, so this is what I'm calling it. So we are going to start off with our eyes directly. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with a little bit of concealer, and I'm blending this out with my Pro Art Beauty Blender. And then to set all of this, I'm using my NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using the lighter shade in that palette to set the concealer. You need to set your concealer so that your eyeshadows blend very easily on your eyes. Once that is done, I've just applied a little bit of tape so that our wing is very sharp and our eyeshadow looks way more sharper at the corners. So I'm starting off with my transition shade. Unfortunately, there's no transition shade, a lighter transition shade in the NYX Ultimate palette, so I'm just using my bronzer as my transition shade. And yeah, as you all can see, I'm blending it out in windshield wiper motions. And then from that palette itself, we are gonna take the darker chocolatey shade, and I'm gonna be applying this directly onto my crease with my 217 Pro Art brush. I love this brush, guys. Oh my god, this brush is so good to blend your eyeshadows. As you all can see, I'm applying it directly on my crease in windshield wiper motions, and I'm layering the product up so that I'm happy with the intensity. And once that is done, I'm again going to take my transition shade brush and blend out the edges so that it looks like a smooth transition. Now we are going to move on to our smoky wing. I'm going to be using a very small, precise brush to apply this black eyeshadow at the outer corners. Now the tape that we've applied is gonna give us that sharp looking wing, so you do not have to worry about it being crooked and all of that stuff. So I'm layering the black shade little by little with this precise brush, and I'm gonna keep it very smoky at the outer corners. You do not want to get it all the way till your inner corners. You want to keep it right at your outer corners, as you all can see. And once I'm happy with the intensity, we are gonna move on to cutting our crease. To cut our crease, I'm just using a little bit of concealer on this Real Techniques brush. I absolutely love this brush to cut my crease when I'm doing a cut crease kind of a look. This brush is so very precise. I love this brush, and as you all can see, I'm just mapping out my crease, and then I'm just filling it in with the concealer. And as you all can see, I am trying and applying it with a very light hand at the edges. Once that is done, I'm again taking that chocolatey brown shade to blend out the edges of the smoky wing into the cut crease. As you all can see, this is just gonna give you a very smooth transition. Once that is done, I am gonna set the concealer with a little bit of that white shade that we used at the start. You need to set your concealer for it to pop and look so that it does not crease as well. And once that is done, I'm again gonna take that brown shade and blend out the edges so that it looks like a very smooth transition. I hope y'all are getting what I'm trying to say. So yeah, once that is done, I am gonna apply a little bit of a liquid liner. This is the NYX liquid liner, and I'm gonna be applying a very thin line. I'm not creating a wing or anything. I'm just lining my eyes. This is because I want to apply falsies, and I want my lash band to blend very easily. If you're not applying falsies, you do not need to apply eyeliner at all. So once I've applied the eyeliner, I am going to go again with the black shade that we used, and I'm going to smudge that eyeliner a little bit so that it looks way more softer and not that harsh. And yeah, we are basically done with the eyes. I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara and some falsies. For falsies, I use the PAC Mink lashes in the number M75, and oh my god, I absolutely love the falsies. Oh, I forgot to tell you all that I also tightlined with my Plum Kajal. So yeah, now we are going to move on to the rest of our face. I'm going to start by priming my face. For that, I use my Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer. I absolutely love it. And for foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, which is again my absolute favorite holy grail foundation. So once that is done, like, I'm blending everything out with my beauty blender, Pro Art Beauty Blender here. As you all can see, by now you guys must have gotten bored about like seeing my entire foundation concealer routine, so I'm just gonna fast forward it. And let me talk a little bit about this beauty blender. I like this beauty blender, but it's so very hard on my face that I ended up thinking that this is not worth it because it's so hard on your face. It does not feel pleasant at all. Anyway, we are gonna move on to concealer. For concealer, I am using my MAC Pro Long Wear Concealer. Oh my god, I use this concealer after such a long time, and I fell in love with it all over again. And I'm applying my concealer under my eyes in a triangular region, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my laugh lines. And then I'm gonna blend everything out with my beauty blender itself. So that's what I'm doing here. And there's someone banging up on the walls, so I'm very sorry about that. Anyway, I just baked a little bit with my RCMA no color powder, and I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my Nykaa Skin Genius compact powder. This is my favorite powder. Oh my god, if you guys are looking for a good compact powder, you should totally try this one out. It's absolutely amazing. It's so lightweight on your face. It looks so skin-like. You guys will absolutely love this powder. And here I'm just removing the bake from my face, and I'm just setting everything with my Avenue spring water. Now what this is gonna do is gonna melt all the powders that you've applied on your face into your face. And then I'm just using my brown colored eyeshadow, chocolatey brown eyeshadow, in the outer corners of my eyes, in the lower part of my eyes. And then I am also applying white eyeliner so that, you know, my eyes look way more wide awake and bigger. And then I'm applying some mascara as well. Now we are gonna move on to the rest of our face. For that, I'm starting with bronzing. This is the LA Gold compact powder, and I'm using that as my bronzer, as y'all can see. And I'm applying it near the hollows of my cheeks, on my temples, and I'm also gonna apply it to contour my nose also a little bit. Like, it's like an all-in-one product. I love doing this because it's way more faster, way more easier. As y'all can see, my nose looks so much more structured now. And then we are gonna move on to blusher. Now, oh my god, this blusher, I've been loving this blusher lately. It's so very pretty. The color, formula, everything, it just gives me that very beautiful color to my cheeks. Once that is done, we are gonna move to highlighter. I haven't stopped using this highlighter ever since I bought them. This is the LA Gold highlighter in the shade 100 Watt. And I'm applying this on the tops of my cheekbones, near my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, in my inner corners, on my cupid's bow, as well as under my brow bone. Not under my brow bone, on my brow bone basically. Oh my god, this highlighter is so freaking pretty, guys, and it's affordable as well. Love this highlighter.
It's delicious.
So our makeup is basically done. Only thing left is our lips. So I'm gonna start by lining my lips with this Lakme 925 lip liner in the shade Rose Beige. And then once that is done, for lipstick, I am using my Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Loved. Oh my god, this lip shade is so very pretty. It's a perfect pinky nudie shade. I love this lipstick. In case y'all want to buy this, you will get this on Nykaa. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it, and if y'all do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to my channel. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.